Well, welcome to my channel. We appreciate you being here. This is a celestial nurse and herbalist. Today we're just going to get started on very basic level 1 astrology. Thank you, and I appreciate you being here, and I hope you enjoy the video. We're going to get started with the 7 planets and 7 days of the week. Each day of the week is in relation to the planet names. Interesting that there's 7 planets, 7 days of the week, and 7 continents on Earth. The days of the week, which we all know, is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, which, depending if you're religious or not, or spiritual, that's God's rest day in Genesis, which is interesting. Genetics, genes, and Genesis. That's where the Bible says we got started. I found this poem of Northern Lights by Robin Petrick, and it sums up how I feel when I observe Northern Lights. The Northern Lights painted the sky with stories we hadn't heard of yet. We leaned back, letting the colors wash over us and paint new dreams for us to follow. I thought that was very beautiful and makes me feel young when I read that and watch the Northern Lights. Seems like anything magical can happen. We're going to get into the 7 planets and 7 days of the week. Sunday follows the sun. Monday follows the moon. Tuesday follows Mars. And Wednesday follows the name for Mercury. Thursday has seems to be popular. So we have a few names there. We have Jupiter, also the ancients describe it as Thor or Zeus. And recently I've heard Jesus, which I find kind of interesting. Friday is Venus. Also, I've heard Frida. And then Saturday follows Saturn. We're going to talk about the amount of time the planet sphere takes in days or years to revolve. This is important for astrology, herbalism and plants, as well as many things that occur on this earth. So we're going to get started with the quick planets. The moon, most people know, it takes about 28 days to revolve. Mercury's 88 days. Medium speed planets, Venus is 225 days. The sun is 365 days, and of course Earth is right there as well, so 365 days, that's even. We have Mars, which is 2 years. And then we also have super slow planets. So Jupiter's about 12 years. Saturn also has the nickname of Boss, is 30 years. And then we have Pluto, which is 248 years, which we're about right there again for America to be 248 years when we were in Pluto. And so many of you guys probably have heard of Pluto and Aquarius. We can get into that in the future as well, but we're just sticking with the basics here. So if you're interested, I would be researching about Pluto. That is a big aspect of the United States right now, in many other countries as well, but right now, especially, it is the anniversary for Pluto and Aquarius for America. This is another area which I found was interesting. There is a thing called spiritual ranking of each planet sphere, including the sun plus the moon. The level of the spheres starts, it's kind of like a hierarchy. So we have Saturn, which is level 1, Jupiter's level 2, Mars is level 3, Sun, Earth, and Heart, they're all equal, so they are at the level 4. Venus is 5, Mercury is 6, and the Moon is 7. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you on the next video. Again, this is Celestial Nurse. You can check out my website, which is under construction at this time, but you can still take a look at it. It's celestialnurse.com. And I hope you return. I will be having more videos regarding anything celestial, herbalism and astrology, and anything that's holistic, as well as discussing healing stones, crystals, and possibly tarot in the future. And I look forward to seeing you come back. Thank you so much, and have a great week.